Get started with number 10, Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, released in October 2016. We have rated this phone with a spec score 6.8 out of 10 because in this price range, better phones are available in the market. But for the Samsung lover, it's a smart pick in this price range. On number 9 stands Nubia Z11 Mini, released in May 2016. It has got better specification than Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, but since Nubia is a new brand in market and its build quality is not that reliable, we have rated it 7.2 out of 10. Coming on next, we have Honor 5X released in November 2015. It has a good build quality, decent camera, but clock speed of its processor is only 1.2 GHz, which drops it down to number 8 with spec score 7.4. Next, we have Lenovo K5 Note, released in January 2016. Initially, it comes with Android 5.0.1 Lollipop, but it can now be updated to Marshmallow and also supports 4G voice over LTE feature. VR mode is also available in this phone, which is quite impressive. All of this sums up to a spec score of 7.9 out of 10. Then we have Lee Eco LE2, which is released in April 2016. It has great camera and other specifications, but all that comes in a poor build quality. Moreover, it has 32 GB internal storage and no external memory card slot, so it gets a spec score of 8. Now comes Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, released in February 2016. It has great battery life, processor and build quality. It takes good photos, but in low light condition its performance is not that appreciable. Overall, it gets a spec score of 8.1. Then we have Lenovo K6 Power, released in November 2016. As name suggests, it has great battery life. It has 5-inch compact size display but has low brightness level under direct sunlight. Spec score of this device comes out to be 7.6. Then we have Lenovo ZUK Z1, released in September 2015. It is fueled by 4100 mAh battery, which is bigger than Redmi Note 3 and Moto G4 Plus. It consists of 64 gigs of internal storage with no external SD card support. It has an old but powerful 2.5 GHz processor. The key feature about its camera is optical image stabilization. So this phone gets a spec score of 8.4. Coming on next, we have InFocus Epic One at second position. It is released in October 2016. This is the first phone with deca-core processor launched by American company InFocus in India. It is only available in gold color variant. This is recommended for those who are highly concerned with camera quality. So it gets a spec score of 8.6. Then, on top of the list, we have Moto G4 Plus, released in May 2016. It has good build quality, it is impressively slim and light in weight. It has good camera, battery life that lasts a day and bright display. So this is a smart pick for those who want to buy mobile phone in January 2017 with a spec score of 9.0. So, we hope that you found what you were looking for, and still if you have any queries, we will be happy to answer them. If you think we are worth of it, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching.